Sanibonani, this is Tumi Mutwining. Be careful of what you dream about and be careful of which dream you're going to follow. You can go to a traditional healer, but you'll go to have a spiritual gift. Then but you know there's always something about you. Everywhere, there's always something about someone. Like there's something different about you. There's something different about Tuban. So don't confuse that with a gift. Just because when you're different doesn't mean you have a gift. And then you bakutshela ukuthi une gift, hayi ke gift yakhona bakutshela ukuthi hayi futha la wenzeni. Even if they don't give you anything ukuthi ufuthe. Mawufika endlini after isikhashanyana so uyaqala uyaphupha uhlala uphupha manje mabhayi wena uphupha lokhu wena uphupha lokhu usuphupha ngisho nalowo muntu noma uphupha omunye. So uyaphupha manje wena so uyamfonela ibo sengiphuphe lokhu ubathe indaba incane uyaphupha. Kunomuthi abawusebenzisayo ukukuphephetha ukuthi uphuphe uphinde uphuphe kube ngathi unobizo unganalo. Kunezinto abayisebenzisayo zokukudonsa kube ngathi wena unobizo unganalo. Omunye uzothi awugogo kanjani manje because umuntu ungena njani lo muntu ungenza njani ukuthi ngiphuphe ngingaphuzanga anything yakhe ngingasebenzisanga next. Angisho ungenile esigodlweni. Angithi ungenile kuye esigodlweni. Ufikile ngithi. Unyathelile ngithi. So it's possible. Akadingi nokuthi akakunikeze next. It's possible. 99.9 yenu aninayo calling yobungoma. Nithwase because benibizwa. Nibizwe izinto. Omunye uzothi hayibo Tumi wena bona amathwasa if nami yangifanele ngizangena ngibosindarela ke. But wena lalela lento engitshela yona. Be careful. If you have a gift at home, they will know that you are a gifted child from birth. Anyeke igift iqala usuna 30. Khathi iqala ukukuphatha yanyeke bakwethu. Khathi amadlozi wena uNkulunkulu aqala ukukhuluma nawe una 30. Igift ayiqali ekugcineni uzalwa nayo. Ekini bazowazi lalelana abazali mabathi hey asiyazi lento okhuluma ngayo. Balaleleni because ibona bakukhulisile bakubona uzala ukuthi lo mntwana mara khona into ekhona ngaye. Listen to your parents. Listen to your family members. They will know. Then uzothwasa vele noma unganalo lelo gift because basuke bakusebenzise izinto. That is why bazokufundisa amathambo. Because uzofunda amathambo kuyinto epractical. Asenze so mangabe uyangiphikisa. Wena ongana gift ne? Wena ongana gift. Hamba uye esangomeni siyokufundisa amathambo. Ubuye uconsult abantu ubone ukuthi anyeke ukuconsult na. Yeah, hamba uyofunda. So guys, be careful. Ne? Be careful of your dreams. Be careful of what you dream about. And be careful of what you landela. Pray. Tandaza. Pray for your kids. Pray for evil spirits. Ngathangitshela indlela ayibuzwa kwabaphambili ibuzwa kulabo ababuya kuyo. Amen.